Okay, guys, we go to the input statement. Okay, what is the input statement? Okay, input statement is mean used to accept data entered by user into the computer. Okay, so it means data entered from the user will store in a variable name and then locate in a computer memory. So the data entered from the user have a lot of a data types. Okay, so after this, I will show you how to input statement using a different data type. Okay. Using a scanner object to input data from the standard input, which is a system.in, which accept input from the keyboard. Okay. Before this, you learn how to create the object name for your scanner. Okay. Let's say user may enter the different data types. Okay, the types of data as an input. Okay, such as integer, double, boolean, char, and string. Okay. Look at for the integer data types. How you want to write the input statement and a variable declaration. Here we have a two different way to write the input statement and variable declarations. Okay. Okay, look at the data type integer. Okay, integer. Okay, this one is a variable declarations. Variable declaration. Okay, this one is a input statement. The first way, okay, you can declare first what's a variable you use. Okay, let's say age. Age, you know the data types is whole is an integer. Let's say my age is 34, right? Not 34.5. Okay, so the suitable data type used is integer. Okay, and then next line, each equal to obj dot next integer bracket semicolon. Okay, obj here is a object you create for your scanner. If you create okay sc, so you use a sc here. Okay, if you create obj, so you use obj. Okay, another way, the second way, you can combine the variable declaration and input statement in a one statement only. Okay, which is the integer age equal to obj dot next integer. So integer here you use a capital letter. Okay, so for double, okay, double number semicolon, and then next line number equal to obj dot next double. Okay, D capital letter. Or the second way, you can use double number equal to obj dot next double bracket semicolon. For boolean, okay, boolean like semicolon like equal to obj dot next boolean. Okay, same goes with a second way. Okay, boolean is for the true and false. Okay, so char. Okay, great. You know, we have A, B, C, D. So, in a one character only use. So, char great. So, great equal to obj dot next bracket dot char add. Okay, zero here. Okay, why we put zero? Okay, in a programming, okay, the first wait let's say I put SITI, okay, um in a memory, okay, city 0, location 0, I 1, T 2, 3, I the location is 3. So we start with a 0, 1, 2, 3. That's why we put 0. Okay, if the user key in grade like A, B, C, D, so we choose the first place of a chart. You understand? Okay. How about string? String we have two types. Two way how to write the input statement. You see here. Okay, practicum equal to obj.next. This one, practicum, name equal to obj.next line. What's the difference? Okay, practicum, you know, is like empty one in one word, right? Okay, empty one. Name like SITINORDIANAH, right? Okay. Dot next is mean. Okay. If the user key in like city space Nordiana, so the system will output only city only, not city Nordiana like a user input. Okay, but if you use next line, so all the user input like we have a space, okay, so Siti Nordiana binti hi home. So all the user input can show in a display. Okay. Okay. If you want to write the input statement, we have a 3-step. Okay, step 1, we need to write the import class scanner from the package Java util, which is you need to write the import java.util.scanner semicolon. Must remember S is a capital letter. Step 2, you need to create the instance of a class scanner, which is we call the object. So SC is we call the object. Like before, we use the BJ. Okay, you can create another name of the object of the scanner. Okay, so the statement is scanner SC equal new scanner in bracket system dot in semicolon. Okay, you see as scanner system all the capital letter. Okay. Step 3, you need to assign the input statement to a variable. So you need to know the variable using what's data type. So that's why you need to declare first the variable, and then you can use this one is a object for the scanner dot next what data type use for the variable. Okay. Okay, look at the example. Okay, here the statement for the import statement. Okay. Second, you need to put the create object for the scanner, okay, in the main method. And the third one is the statement for the input statement, or okay, if you don't want to write in a one statement, so you cancel here, so you put the integer age semicolon. Okay, you have a two-way how to write the input statement and a declaration of the variable. Okay, you see a next example. Okay, you see. Okay, first we need to write the, if you have a input statement, so you need to first write the import statement, which is import java.ut.scanner, and then you need to create the object scanner sc equal to new scanner in bracket system.in semicolon. Okay, the third step, okay, you need to write the input statement width and height. So you know width and height is a integer can, double can, okay, but the suitable is a double. Okay, because width and height have a pointing, okay, decimal value. Okay, that's all for the input statement.